Gemsbok, Oryx gazella, is a large antelope of the genus Oryx. Its name means goat with hook horns in Afrikaans. Despite some similarities, e.g. black and white lines on the face, the two species are not related. Gemsboks travel in herds of 10 to 40 animals led by a male. They usually form mixed herds with zebras, gazelles and other antelope species. The horn of the female is slightly curved back and longer than that of the male, while that of the male is straight and thicker than that of the female. A male gemsbok can even kill a lion with his horns. Gemsboks generally live in deserts and do not need a lot of water. A gemsbok has a shoulder height of 120 centimeters and a weight of 200 kilograms.